Next time you take your Bronco all al fresco, be sure to add these stylish door hinge covers from DEEZEE. This unique and ingenious product from DEEZEE hides and protects the factory hinges when you're cruising around with the doors off in your new Bronco. You won't have to worry about those unsightly hinges being an eyesore or banging your shins into them. The clean, sleek lines of the covers look factory made and have a real appeal factor. But stylish looks are only half the equation. These patent-pending ABS plastic covers also offer protection for the wiring harnesses and the door hinge posts, protecting your Bronco for many doorless days of adventures to come. Installation is simple. Once the doors have been removed, the cover simply fits right over the hinges and are secured with the included hardware. If you're interested in purchasing these Bronco door hinge covers from DEEZEE, or you need help with installation, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. And don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on In the Garage.